Yeah, so it's an undergraduate program at the end of the day. So in an undergrad program, the objective is to build learning outcomes in students across disciplines. So if as titled as management and technology, the main focus is on business management. So if somebody wants to learn about business in a holistic way, that is the major focus of this program. Of course, business cannot be learned in isolation. So therefore, we have courses on technological domains as well as social sciences domain. So you learn more holistically about business. That's the major offering of this program.
JEE people, the JEE students, those who have appeared, those who have cleared JEE exams, they are the best eligible candidates for this program. Any other national level IIEEE entrances exam students, they are eligible for this course.
So if you look at management as a discipline and look at the input of students at the best schools in Western Europe or US, you'll find that better the diversity in the classroom, greater is the learning, right? So therefore, it is not restricted to any particular discipline. So it's open to all kinds of disciplines. You can come from science, math, science, bio, commerce, liberal arts. So it's open to all the disciplines, and of course we welcome diversity in the classroom because that enables better learning for students.
The students, those who are from the science background, analytical background, those are going to get the most out of it.
So basically this is aligning to the new education policy. This is a stackable program. So students learn fundamentals in the first year in the field of social sciences, management and technology. That's the first year learning outcomes. Then they move to second year where they learn other supporting disciplines and functional domains. That's the second year and third year. So second year and third year of this program looks at functional domains of business: marketing, finance, operations, human resources, product management, digital transformation, strategy, economics. So that's the second year of the second and third year of the program. And in the final year, students go in depth as far as the functional domain is concerned. So there will be more specialized courses of marketing, finance, operations, HR, strategy and entrepreneurship in the final year. So that is how the program is structured as far as learning outcomes is concerned.
Definitely long-term foundation with a degree.
So if you look at businesses today, businesses operate in very complex environments. And when I say complex, what I mean, I borrow from Nassim Nicholas Taleb's work on anti-fragility, wherein he defines complexity as systems with multiple interdependencies. So he differentiates between complicatedness and complexity. So businesses are not only facing a complicated environment where you have multiple stakeholders, multiple actors, but you face much more complex systems. So it's just not about the accounting profit, but also about sustainability, environmental issues, technology changing at a rapid pace. We are already seeing huge investments made in the AI and blockchain technologies. So therefore, businesses operate in very complex environments. And therefore, that complexity has been embedded into the program as well. So in 4 years' time, the learning is not only linear, but also dynamic in the sense that you have, in parallel to business courses, you learn about blockchain, you learn about AI, you learn about deep learning, as well as you learn about sociology, psychology, and economics, which complements, and much of the theoretical understanding of business enterprises have come from these foundational disciplines. So therefore, there is a holistic understanding that is being built into the student when they join this program.
So with the present day experience of ours, this trainings and placements, exposure to the students and their experience over the years, we see that what we are teaching, it's pretty much relevant in the market. And if you see this program, as we said that we have already MBA Tech program and it's doing pretty great. So those students are excelling far more better than the general MBA students. So with the same guideline, what we think that these kind of BS program will overpower the another graduate or undergraduate programs better in capacity because they have a better course structure which they have followed. With that understanding which is there in the industry, they'll be able to deal with the problems in a better way.